Hello, Chloe here from Border River Flowers. I'm just going to bring you along today for a unboxing of what I keep saying is going to be my final Dahlia tuber order, but we'll see. Yeah, I think we'll be getting too late in the season if I were to get any more now, so that's probably a good thing. So these ones here are from Floral and Stem. This is I've never ordered from them before. So I'll take you through what I got. There's only 11 tubes here, and a couple of them, two of them I got two of the same colour. So there's only 9 different varieties here. Hopefully the wind keeps picking up and dropping and picking up and dropping, so hopefully it's not too bad while I'm trying to get this done, although I just don't know what the weather is ever going to do at the moment. It's so unpredictable. And hopefully my daughter doesn't get too noisy. She's decided she's going to water all the plants at the moment, which I'm not going to complain about. Okay, so let's get started. The first one is Helena. Gonna focus. I might pop the close picture up on the screen of the video anyway. What are you doing? You're watering the tree. Oh, you're watering me too. You're going to go back around that side and water those ones in the pot?
Yes, I did.
There's lots around there. Yeah. This is a tiny little tube of this one. So I've got two of those. And then we've got Goldie. This one's a big beauty. I've been trying to get as big a variety of colours as I possibly can this year, so that I won't have to. I'm going to say I won't have to buy more tubers next year, but no doubt I will buy some. But I'd like to be able to, like, after these have multiplied, keep most of them. Oh, even the paper's making a lot of noise. Get this paper here down so it's not flapping in the wind. Okay, this one is Kismet. I've got two of that one, and it's like a pink cactus variety. I think the rest I've just got one of each. And this one is Hornbeak Alpine. It's a white one. It's interesting. I find it really interesting the different when you buy from different sellers. Just the difference in the tubers. I don't know whether it's growing. Just don't put the water on here, please.
I want to put that one.
Yeah, well, I don't think you can reach there. Don't get it all over me. Okay, off you go. Go and water those ones back down there again.
I did already.
Already? All of them?
Yeah.
Wow, you're quicker than me. Yeah, so just different, whether it's different growing conditions. But yeah, they're very different, definitely different. Big difference. Hey! Daughter's giving the dog a bath. This one is First Prize. And that's enough. You're getting it all over me now. It might as well be raining out here.
What's that?
Hey, when you told me it was going to rain, I didn't realise it was going to rain out of the hose. Did you water all of these ones right up to this end? You have to make sure there's enough in them so that it soaks right into the roots.
It has soaked.
This one here is Devon Glen.
Mum, if I put that I'll go
Now she's going to go and turn the hose off now that I'm already wet. That turned it on further, sweetheart. This one is Bushfire. You turned it on faster. Okay, go around there now. Technology. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Thank you. Bracken sequel. These little bags are hard to get them out of. I really need to get these in the ground. ASAP. Oh no, I got two of this one as well. No, not on me, please. Not on me. No, because you're getting it all over these and I don't want them wet. Okay? You can't go any further. It's only a short hose. Okay. Now the burst of wind. It's actually looking rather stormy. A bit of smoke as well. Some fire somewhere. This one's Bracken Palomino. I've got two of it. I just love the look of the colour of it. Yeah, really excited to see it in flower. Okay, so that is it for that. I'll pop up what each one looks like on the screen. And let me just take you and show you something, the best kept secret that haven't told anyone about yet. So this is the stormy looking cloud over here, and then over here I can see a bit of smoke coming up from the hills over there, so there's a bit of a fire happening somewhere. Hopefully it's not a bad one. So down here, stuck in behind these palm trees, so I'll try and get a bit of view. I've started doing it up already. But this is an old caravan that I've had. I got it for this particular purpose. I'm going to do it up, and this is going to be my roadside stand. Yeah. What? Oh, that's good. So yeah, I've just put the first layer of paint on the outside. We need to put new wheels on it. I need to buff all this up and paint all this. And inside, this is everything from inside, just thrown out here, and a whole heap still in here. So we've pulled all the lining off the inside. We've got to dog's having a disagreement. Have to reline all of this and give that a paint as well. And put some shelving in here, and then we're going to have it so that an evaporative aircon in here on solar. to keep it cool during summer. So I'm excited to show you the final product with this. So that is it, I think. Yeah, I getting really excited to see the final product, what it end up with there. I have big ideas, very little time, so we'll see what the end result is. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye.